All right, YouTubers, welcome back. My name's Dave. Like it has been since 1979.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to...
And you found do it yourself, do it right. And well, I'm standing in front of the Nissan Frontier, and I'm up at the place of employment because it still doesn't want to be spring outside. And if you listen hard enough, you can probably hear the rain, probably a little bit of snow mixed in with it. But got a couple more parts that I want to put on the Nissan, so let's get into it. All right, so what parts do I have, you ask? Well, you know, I got them right here on the table. I got some wheel spacers. These are the 2-inch kind, and they're from Z1 Offroad. Figured why not? They look pretty good. Some good quality stuff. They were, you know, probably a little bit more than I wanted to spend, but you know, you get what you pay for. I figured, you know, rotating mass, you buy some better stuff. So the other thing I got is some kick panels for the door. Basically trying to winterize the inside of the truck, because it seems like it's still winter outside even though it's April. So I'm gonna throw these couple of things on. I'm gonna take you guys with. So let's get into it. So the tools you're going to need for this job, make it a little easier, get a nice portable impact. You're going to need 2 different sockets. You're going to need a size 19 and a size 21. The 19 is for the spacer bolts or nuts, and the 21 is for the nuts that hold the wheel onto the truck. You're also going to need a torque wrench. A stool is nice, obviously a jack to jack the truck up.
No shit, Sherlock.
Torque for this application. Z1 recommends torquing the spacer nuts, these guys here, to 88 foot-pounds, and the wheel lug nuts to 98 foot-pounds. So let's get this party started. Jack points, where can I jack from? Okay, we're going straight in to that cross member. Come off, says me. I put spacers on my Mustang. And they worked out pretty well. And you know, I'm putting spacers on this because I want a more beefy look to it. I want obviously the wheels to stick out a little further, make it look a little bit better. These tires were brand new. I just bought the truck. They just replaced the tires, so I'm not buying new rims and tires anytime soon. So this is the next best course of action. At least just simply go on over. Oh boy, there's lots of play in there. They just go on over and torque them down. These are beveled. They will hopefully self-align. The center does go over the hub, so they're hub centric. I did go with the 2 inches. Probably, I might be a lot. Probably should have went with a 1 or 1.5. Didn't really, don't really know what 2 inches really is. You know what I'm saying?
That's what she said.
We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Hopefully they're not too far out. Just gonna snug them down with this and then hit them with a final torque with the torque wrench. Yeah, 88 foot-pounds. That's 75, that's 80, 85, 86, 87, 88. Ha, ha, ha. Snug her down so she doesn't move.
God damn it.
Well, alrighty then. This is gonna be fun. I'm gonna put my breaker bar in here to hold it while I torque it. Hold with one hand, torque with the other. Okay. I mean, you get the drift. Just doing final torque, making sure none of them moved. Oh yeah. Oh boy, it's definitely, they're definitely further out. 98 foot-pounds. This time, I'm gonna let the tire down a little bit so I ain't gotta hold it. I can just torque away. I never used to torque lug nuts, but everything's gotten so specialized nowadays. You should just hammer them on. All right, let's go around. First wheel is on. I'm gonna give you a little bit of a comparison. That's how much further out the driver's side is compared to the passenger side. It's a good deal. Should look pretty spiffy. And that's basically all there is to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and knock the other three out, and I'll bring you back when they're all done. All right, just finished putting all four of them on. This is the final product. You can see how much further out they are from the side of the truck. You can even see it back here. It's a good bit. It's definitely a good bit. When I put these two on and I step back and look at it, I was like, oh, did I go too far? And I got these on. And well, let you guys in on a little secret. Once I show you that side, it doesn't look that bad. I think it's gonna grow on me. I don't particularly think that it looks great right this minute, but the secret that I'm gonna let you in on is, I think in my previous videos, if you've seen them, I was planning on putting a sticker down here that said Frontier, some sort of decal to break this up. I think I'm gonna go away from that idea, and I think I'm going to add some fender flares instead to kind of break that up a little bit. And I still want to do a running board on the bottom. So that's the reason why I really went with the 2-inch rather than just a 1-inch or a 1.5. I think they come in 1.5. They come in 1 3/4, I think. So I went with the 2 because I do want to add the fender flares instead of the sticker. So right now, it looks kind of, you know, looks all right, but I think I get some fender flares, add a little bit more style to the side, a little bit more beefiness right here. Come down, you know, kind of line back up with the tire. I think that'll look pretty dang good. So if it doesn't, well, I can, you know, just take them off. Just that's the beauty of them, right? You don't like it, doesn't look good, take it back off. So those are the wheel spacers. Now on to putting the stickums on the door. And you're probably wondering, why would you do that? Well, because every time I get in and out, I'm kicking it right here, and I feel as though I think those little will take more of the abuse than just this plastic. I've already dinged up my steering wheel, so I'm gonna have to fix that. I had a metal zipper, and it, you know, made a couple little zipper marks on the steering wheel, so I'm gonna fix that, and I'm also gonna clean it because this morning I coughed coffee all over my steering wheel, my dash, the vents. You can see it on the windshield. Yeah, I did that. So let's get those door guards ready to go on. These door guards are pretty easy to put on. Double-sided tape, pull the tape, get her where you want them, and just stick away. Something kind of like that. I would recommend wiping the door down with some alcohol, because I'm sure it's got Armor All on it. You want to be able to get it to stick. Armor All is not going to let it stick. These door guards are the ones that Nissan offers. But if you buy them out on the market, out in the, you know, in the real world, I want them to go further ahead a little bit. They're cheaper than what you can get them at Nissan, and they're the same exact door protectors. Push it on. And there you have it. The door is now protected. Little added bonus, I did put some WeatherTechs in here. That's all part of weather, you know, winterizing this truck. It had the nice Frontier mats in there, and you know, they're just gonna get tore up in the wintertime. So I went ahead and bought the WeatherTech. I bought the rubbery kind this time. It's more pliable. It's not the really hard plastic. It's a little bit more pliable. So we'll see how well those work out. I'm gonna go ahead and stick the rest of the door panels on and let you guys see what it looks like. If you know, this might not be something you guys need to do if you're down south or wherever the weather is nice, but I just like to protect the door with some door protectors, because the wintertime and the mud, it's mud season, and I don't know, it's easier to, I think it's going to be easier to wipe off this than that door panel. Give you guys a quick peek at these, and they just stick on. Pretty simple. There's that one. Same on the other side, same as the driver's side. Just an extra added piece of protection, that's all. Nothing fancy. Same with that one. Nothing fancy. I will say that you got to make sure that the door is clean, so you're definitely going to have some alcohol, a rag, and you know, wipe your door panel down rather vigorously to get those to stick. If not, they just want to peel off. So You know, I think besides cleaning the inside of this thing, and you guys don't need to see me do that, you know, that's gonna do it for this video. If you like this Nissan stuff, this Nissan Frontier, you know, I'm learning it just like everybody else. It's new to me. I'm enjoying it. I'm really liking the truck. There are a couple of things that I don't like about it, and I am going to do a future video about, you know, probably a month of ownership or 2 months or something like that, because there are some things that I would like to point out to people that might be thinking about buying one of these Nissans. A lot of good, a couple bads, and the one bad is, it's you know, it's not good. It's definitely bad. So stay tuned for those videos. And, you know, if you like this one, like, tag, share, follow, subscribe. Hit that notification bell when you want to, you know, when I drop new videos, so you'll get notified so you guys can tune in right away. So, that's just the oxygen blowing off. Don't worry, not going to blow up. So, like always, till next time, thanks a lot. I think it actually looks better out in the wild than it did inside of the hangar. It's weird how, you know, it looks differently out and about.